Hey guys, it's us here at One Little Dig Studios. I know it's not called One Little Dig Studios, but oh well. We call it that, so deal with it. Anyway, we're here to say something important. Wait, Kanani, when did you get here? Oh, just a few seconds ago. Now shush. I'm trying to soak in my spotlight. Okay then. Well, the really important thing we have to discuss with you guys is our new, drum roll please, collab audition, Hermit Crab. That's right, peeps, you heard us. We're hosting collab auditions. The very first time. Well, okay, so here's how the story. Our mom was on the computer, and she asked maybe once or twice, she asked Sabi when the collab auditions would be out. And Sabi got a little annoyed. She told us to please stop asking about it and to only comment stuff about the video. So we won't be asking anymore. And since we feel we slightly aggravated her and that we don't have much of a chance anymore of getting in the collab, that we'll just host our own. So there you have it. Here are our collab auditions for 7 super sweet AGs. Ooh, 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 ooh. Here's what you need to do. First, tell us your doll's name and age. Then tell us why you want to be in this collab. And it would really help increase your chances of getting in the collab if you create a short skit or segment. Please try to make it as funny and as random as possible. Just kick back, be creative, and have fun. We will have the 7 main characters and 3 fill-ins. Maybe 5. So, if you can't make a video that week, please let the fill-in know whenever you figure out, because it's hard to do it last minute. Auditions will end November 12th. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see your auditions. Bye. P.S. Every day is available except for Sunday. Please audition. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.